Cash Giraffe coins not updating is almost always a sync delay between the app and its reward server. The app tracks your activity locally first, then pushes updates to the server in batches, so coins can look stuck even when they're already recorded. By the end, you'll know why your Cash Giraffe coins stop updating and how to force them to sync properly without losing progress. First thing to check is whether your session is actually active. If the app gets minimized for too long, or your phone switches networks, the tracking session can pause. Open Cash Giraffe, stay on the home screen for a minute. Then close it completely from recent apps and reopen it. This forces a fresh session sync. Next is your internet connection type. Cash Giraffe often struggles with unstable Wi-Fi switching between bands or mobile data dropping briefly in the background. Turn off Wi-Fi completely, switch to mobile data, and reload the app. If coins suddenly update, the issue is your network stability, not your account. Another common cause is battery optimization. Android and some iOS settings restrict background activity, which blocks coin tracking updates from syncing in real time. Go into your phone settings, find battery or app management, and remove restrictions for Cash Giraffe. Set it to unrestricted or allow background activity. If coins are still not updating, clear the app cache. Go into App Settings, open Cash Giraffe Storage, and clear cache only. This removes temporary files that can block progress updates while keeping your account data intact. Then reopen the app and wait a few seconds on the main screen so it can pull fresh data. When that doesn't work, the issue is usually a delayed server update. Reward apps sometimes batch update coin balances every few minutes instead of instantly. In that case, wait 10 to 15 minutes without switching apps, then check again. Rapid switching between games can also delay syncing because the app pauses tracking when focus changes too often. If nothing updates after all of that, log out and log back in using the same method you originally used, either Google or email. This resets your session token and forces a full server refresh of your account data. To summarize, coin update issues come from unstable network switching, restricted background activity, or delayed server syncing. Fix those in that order and most cases resolve without reinstalling. The next step is simple. Check your battery settings first, since that's the most common hidden blocker. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fixes for Cash Giraffe and other reward apps that stop tracking properly.